Hi, welcome to Englisha. This is Akshay, your friend. Today in this session, we will learn tense. So, begin with the sentence. The sentence is she teaches Crystal. Okay, and the time of this sentence is present. Why? Because we have used here V5 teaches, that is singular, and the subject she is also singular. So a singular subject takes a singular verb, and we know that V1 and V5 are used in present time and in the indefinite tense. That is why the time and tense of this sentence are present indefinite. Now we have to change this sentence into past. It means we have to change only time, not the tense indefinite. So, in order to change time, we need to change the verb, and we should write it in V2. That is why here taught is used. She taught Crystal. Now the sentence is in past, but the tense remained same, indefinite. Now we have to change this sentence into future. Okay, first of all, write it here. It is in past. Now we have to change it in future. For future, we need to use shall or will. So she is the singular subject and it is the third person, and we know very well that the third person takes will, not shall. So we need to understand this technique. The verb teaches is V5, and we know that we have to copy the exact thing that is written in the box. But if you write here teaches, you will be wrong. So we need to change teaches into teach. First of all, change it in V1. Okay, and just write this teach either with shall or will. Now here we need to use will because she takes will, not shall. Now the sentence is she will teach Crystal. This sentence is in future indefinite. So this is the shortest method technique through which you can understand indefinite tense in different time zones. Now she teaches Crystal, present indefinite. Just we crossed it and wrote taught. She taught Crystal. It is in past indefinite. And just we cut it and write here will teach. Now the sentence is in future indefinite. She will teach Crystal. Okay, move for the next tense. Now our tense is continuous. Okay, the tense is continuous. Now the sentence is she is teaching Crystal. Okay, she is teaching Crystal. This sentence is again in present time, but the tense is continuous. So we need to change the time of this sentence, and in order to change the time of the sentence we just need to change the helping verb, and is here the helping verb. So just cross it and write it here was, because she is singular and it will take a singular verb in the past time. So was is appropriate for she. So she was teaching Crystal. This is in past continuous. It's quite simple. Just hold your breath and you will learn something better. Okay, just cut it again and write is teaching. Means we have to copy the same thing that is written in the box. But as we know that we cannot use is, am or are in the future time. That is why we need to change this is into be. Understood? This is the miracle. And just we need to use shall or will before it. So the subject is she and she takes will, not shall. That is why we have to use here will. Okay. Now the sentence is she will be teaching Crystal, and this sentence is in future. It's quite simple. So we maintained our tense, that is continuous, but we changed our time from present to past, from past to future. Now she is teaching Crystal, present continuous. She was teaching Crystal, past continuous, and she will be teaching Crystal, future continuous. Okay, move for the next tense. Our tense is perfect. Okay, the tense is perfect, right? And now the sentence is, just wait a while, she has taught Crystal. Okay, she has taught Crystal. This sentence is written in present time. Now we have to change its time, and we know very well, if we wish to change time, we need to change helping verb, because helping verb is directly connected with time. Helping verb is directly connected with time, and main verb is directly connected with tense. So here we wish to change time, that is why we need to change this helping verb, and the past of has is had. It's quite simple. Now our sentence is she had taught Crystal. It is in past perfect. The time gets changed, but the tense remained same. Now we wish to change again time. That's why we need to change had into future. So just copy here what is written in the box. Here has taught is written in the box. We need to copy it because we are learning the similarity between present tense and future tense. So what is written in the box in the present time, just we need to copy the same exact thing in the future time. But we know very well, after shall and will we only use V1 and has is V5. So we have to change has into have, because have is V1. So we can't write here has. It is the only thing that gets changed here, but the concept is same. So write this box matter with either shall or will, and she takes will. Now the sentence is she will have taught Crystal. She will have taught Crystal, and this is in future. Now she has taught Crystal, present perfect. She had taught Crystal, past perfect. She will have taught Crystal, future perfect. Now the fourth aspect is perfect continuous. Perfect continuous. Okay, our tense is perfect continuous. Okay, and the sentence goes like that. Please wait a while. Okay. She has been teaching Crystal. Okay. And this sentence is written in present continuous tense, but in the present time, means perfect continuous tense. I'm so sorry, not present continuous. It is written in the tense perfect continuous and in the present time. We need to change its time, and we are very acquainted with the concept that just we need to change the helping verb. So change it in past. She had been teaching Crystal. Now this sentence is in past. Okay, with the same tense perfect continuous. Now again change this verb into future and copy the exact thing that is written in the present aspect. Okay, has been teaching. So copy the same thing, has been teaching. Okay, but we know very well in the future time we cannot write has, because shall and will come here, and after shall and will we need to use only V1, that is have, not has, because has is V5 and have is V1. So we need to change has into have. Okay, so right here will. Now our problem gets solved. She will have been teaching Crystal, and it is in future. I hope you understood this whole session. She has been teaching Crystal, present perfect continuous. She had been teaching Crystal, past perfect continuous, and she will have been teaching Crystal. This is in future perfect continuous. Thank you so much for being with us. आप इसी तरह से हमेशा हमारे साथ सीखते रहें. मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ आप बेहतरीन सीख रहे हैं. थैंक यू.